This massive facility operates around the clock, producing the infrastructure for our digital world.
Diameter is within tolerance.
Purity is looking good here too.
Freshly drawn copper wire enters the automated annealing system. Precise thermal control restores flexibility, ensuring peak conductivity. Color coding is vital for electrical safety. Each batch undergoes strict quality control.
The mixture thermal levels are stabilizing now, transitioning to the next cooling phase. Diameter holding steady at 0.0.25.
This system ensures absolute precision. Each cut is accurate to the millimeter. Robotic arms then handle the finished coils, transferring them seamlessly for final packaging.
We test every cable for conductor resistance. This ensures optimal power transmission. Bending tests confirm flexibility and durability, guaranteeing consistent quality.
Move that pallet to the back. We need to load these cartons next.